Hi everyone, welcome back. If you want to access iCloud message on iPhone, how can you access? So today's video, I will explain clearly how to use iCloud message on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to your setting first and navigate to your account setting. Okay, so these are the available options on your iCloud. So you have to go to your iCloud here. And what you need to do is you just need to go ahead to your message. So here you can see. So in your message section, message in iCloud, I'm currently turn off this one. So if you want to use this on your iPhone, just turn on. And now your message will be seen on your iCloud and you will be able to use your iCloud message at the same time. So try to sync first and now is sending your message from your iCloud and you will be able to see. So as I mentioned before, make sure to turn on to use on this iPhone first and then your conversation stored in iCloud will automatically appear after your iPhone finishes signing. So as long as you're signing with the same Apple ID, your message can stay on your iCloud and you will be able to see. So that's how to access iCloud message on iPhone, guys. As I mentioned before, now is singing, so now it's automatically seen on my phone and you will be able to check your message on whatever device you use with this iCloud. So that's how to access iCloud message on iPhone, guys. I hope this will help you a lot and thank you so much. See you, bye, guys.